Hi, how may I help you? Bùi thấy nó chicken AM? Yes, I would like a table for 3 people, please. Không ai in mi pathum tan do ka na them. Sure, please follow me. Te reng mai không ai in min lo zero. Here is a table for 3 people. Please be seated. Heta hi mi pathum do kan tu chu ome không ai in thu ro. Could you give us the menu, please? Không ai in menu min lo pe thayang em. Sure, wait for a second. Te reng mai lo hak lúc ro. No problem. Take your time. Boy la ve man ho su. Here you are. Please go through it. Hey le, không ai in enula in do in order don nia. Okay, thanks. Any special food do you have today? Ole, kalome, voi na cho special big riau te in name. Actually, we have running offer today, sir. Diktat chuan voi ni hian offers. Kan ne sin kapu. Lovely. So, could you help me out for that? Thalutuk. Hani chumi thila chuan min lo pui thayang em. Sure, sir. We have running offer 50% off on main course. On top of that, you can get 1+1 for any drinks as well. Te reng mai kapu main course a hian 50% off kan pe thaya. Chu mai baka in tur eng po. Hi pakhat lai chuan pakhata free bokani. Do you serve hard drinks as well? Chu lampang te hi in sur te lem. Never, we don't, sir. I can sur ngai lo shrim kapu. Okay, no problem. Then I'll go for chicken rice bowl. What about it, guys? Ole, apoi love. Kei chu chicken rice bowl khakalau duang e. Henge nang ni hindu ve don thian teu. I would like to go for potato salad and don't put chili. I don't want spicy, okay? Potato salad kalau duang e marcha tel suang che o athap ka du lawania. Okay. Would you like something to drink along with that? Ole indu lamte indu telem. What kind of drinks do you have? Indur englam nge in nei. We do have Coca-Cola, Pepsi, pink nimbu pani, iced tea and lemon juice as well. Coca-Cola, Pepsi, pink nimbu pani, iced tea le lemon juice te kan nei. What about Diet Coke? Diet Coke in name? I'm really sorry, it's out of stock. As a vet to apoy katil may. It's okay. Then I'll go for Pepsi today. Poi lo eh. Hani chuan for inchu Pepsi kalau duang eh. Me too. How long is gonna take? K-pop Pepsi chu ni mai. Read on em. We'll get it done within 15 to 20 minutes. Not more than that. Miss som pangasom hi vela kan peyang chu ai chuan arei lawang. Sounds great. We are extremely hungry. If possible, please make it fast. Avat try em. Kan rila tram lu tuka a thei chuan khong ai min man mo sak deu tewo. We'll make it ready as soon as possible. Kan thei angarangin kan lo pe don nia. Thanks. In the meantime, can I get water? Hello mame, chu mi chung chuan tui in tur min lo pe thayang em. Sure. Is it normal or chill? Lu tu ke avot nge apa ngai. I prefer to go for chill. Avot kalau tu nge. Of course, I'll get back within a moment. Te reng mei kalau kir le thuayang. Wow! Finally, food has arrived, and it looks delicious as well. At topa chuan cho chu alo thleng ta. At tui mel khep vele. Okay, let's hit it. Ole, eyang o. Please, can I get the bill? Không ai in, kan hman bill, min lo pe thayang em. Sure sir. Would you like some dessert? Te reng mai kapu. Dessert lam te in tu em. No, we are fine. Thank you. Do you accept cash, by the way? Ngay là về, kan lo me, ang pok chu ni se a cash in kan pe thayang em. Actually, we are appreciate to go with cash. Dik chia chuan a cash a pe ki kan lom ber zo kalom. Your bill is 2,000, sir. By the way, how was the food? Do you like it? Ye man chu sang ni ani e kapu. Ang po chu ni se heng e an. At tu yem. It was awesome. I laugh a lot. We'll come back for sure. Tui kan titak setani kan lo kan le nge yang. Thank you so much, sir. Kalom lu tu ke kapu. Sorry, sir. Your bill amount is 2,000 only, but you gave me 3,000. Wait, I'll give you change. Min lo se thiam lok kapu ye man kha sang ni ania ma se sang thum min pe lo hak lok ro akir kalau peng che. It's okay. Keep the change for your tips. Your service was excellent. We are very thankful to you. Apoilo change khachu ilo manatan nei ro khai chuan ina I thok tha tak zetani I chunga kan lom tak zetani. Thank you so much for tips, sir. Kapu tips awang khan kalom lu tuke. It's okay, don't mention it. And I love the way you treated a customer as well. And keep it up. Kipo kalome. Chuan I customer lo don sundan ka tra ka ti le mai vong nung ze lang che. Definitely, sir. Tere mai kapu. Tu na tan chuan tu tok le photila I lo hlok pui nge ka du sak tak zet che ni.